Okay, so here we are, and what we are seeing here are the models of cycles which are available at Decathlon. These are all B twin cycles, and these are different models. This one specifically is a geared one, and what you can see over here, it has low frame. It is very light frame, although it is very good for the general commute. And this one is a geared model that we are seeing over here, and this is the gear shifter that you have in your handle. This is your seat, and you see down there are the different sprockets on which the gear system actually works. So your chain actually shifts from one sprocket to another sprocket, and these are numbered accordingly. So the first gear is actually the biggest sprocket, and down the road it goes like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and 7 is the last one. Among them your chain shifts, and that is how your gears are being changed in this. This is how you can see at which gear level you are right now. You can shift here, but your cycle needs to move in order for sprockets to change, right? So that is how actually it is being done. Even if you change here and you are not moving your cycle as of now, you can see here changing the gears in your indicator here at the handle. However, if your cycle is not moving, you can keep them shifting, but it won't change the gear in actual, and for that has to change, you have to move the cycle, right? So that is basically how your gear system works in short.